Bellucci.
I'm so happy to be here. It's the first time for me in Slovenia. So I was so curious to come in this place that I don't know, but I know it's very beautiful. I want to see the center of the town because I know that it's small but amazing. And Happy New Year to all of you because it's going to be really soon. I love fashion. I come from fashion. Actually, I used to be a model before being an actress.
I would say.
And also, you know, it was an opportunity for me to come in this country. I traveled a lot all over the world, and you know, Slovenia is so close to my country because I'm Italian, and as you know, and so you know, it was incredible that I've never been here before. So here I am. For me, the most important thing is my family. I have 2 little girls who are the most important thing of my life. And of course, my husband. So my family is so important for me. Maybe because I'm Italian and it's our, you know, tradition. I'm not a fashion victim, and I like to do my own fashion. So I love to mix things. But even though I'm not a fashion victim, I have so much respect for this world because I know what a stylist can feel and how he's trembling after a fashion show because he's waiting for what the journalist can think about, you know, a fashion show. Yeah. So I know the photographers, so I know so well all of that, and I respect all this work because I know how much work there is behind. And then of course I have, you know, a special stylist that I like Dior and Dolce & Gabbana, and you know, mostly because they're my friends, but you know, Armani. You know, I'm Italian, so I come from this place where fashion is so.
Do you have some fetishes, you know, like shoes or purses or something?
Shoes, of course. The body is my instrument. You know, if I was a pianist, the piano was my instrument. I'm an actor, and my instrument is my body. I'm sure I have one very dark side, and you know, directors are like vampires, and they see what they want to see. I came from the fashion business. So when you come from the fashion business and then you're pretty, of course maybe when you start to be an actress, people look at you in a strange way because especially in the business they can say, okay, another one, you know, another model, they want to become an actress. But then, you know, I was lucky. I worked, I had the chance to work with incredible directors and you know, I'm not a young girl anymore. I'm a woman, but I feel really good with what I am, and I know there's to do so many things, and maybe people look at me in a different way, even because now I'm a mature woman, and I have to say that I like this situation very much, even for roles in the cinema, even for how I feel with myself, and so maybe I feel more comfortable today than I'm in my 40s than when I used to be 20. I did 3 movies after my baby was born. And even though I don't sleep much, but just, you know, I feel so well. It's always beautiful when another woman tells you that you're beautiful. I think that maybe it's obvious to say that, but it's not important to be beautiful, it's important how you feel. And maybe, I don't know if I'm beautiful. What can I say is that I feel beautiful, because I'm happy. You know, because I have the life I choose, and not because, you know, and I know that I have this life that I choose, not because I work for that. because I'm very lucky, lucky to have such a family, such kids, and I just had a baby, a few months ago, and when you have a baby, it just feels full of energy.